Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money on Temu in 2024 new strategy. So let's get started. So here we are in Temu, and from here what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go tap on the U button at the bottom of our screen right there. And from here we're gonna tap on the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right of our screen. From here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna simply go for country and region because I'm gonna be showing you why in a few moments. So in this case, we'll just go for United States right here. So when you go to United States, switch to United States right there. So now when you go for Temu right here on the U section, you would now have the earn credits and free gifts. You don't have this if you're in the Philippines or in any other country right here. It might be available to some other country, but it is available here in United States. So when you tap on that, you would have these offers right here that you can use because you just switched to the region of United States. And from here, you can just complete this and then you would get these rewards. So as you can see, you can earn up to $200 credit right here, and you can earn 5 items for $0 and so on right here. So this is a really good way for you to purchase or to get something from Temu by doing this right here. This is a trick because not everyone knows this because they don't change their region here in Temu. So that is basically how you can do it here on Temu. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.